Hello there, Tilly with the multi-empo report. So, going to do the rapid-fire version again so we can get to Typhoon Haiyan. So, Inyahrien, no anarade key, because I can't do French to Spanish without transitioning into that accent. And Typhoon Haiyan / Yolanda, Yolanda being the Pegasa name for this storm. So, yes, this thing is huge. There's nothing more to say about this. You know, if you look at the satellite, basically almost the entirety of the Philippines is being covered right now with some sort of cloud cover. You look, one of these has the satellite loop. There you go. This thing has a massive eye too. It looks like as of this point it hasn't officially made landfall, but of course lots and lots of the storm already affecting the Philippines. And basically it looks like it quite possibly won't leave. There won't be a single place that won't be that will be left untouched by some sort of cloud cover and rain and such. So, in the Philippines, they are up to signal number 4 for winds in excess of 185 kilometers per hour. That's in excess. That's, I believe, roughly, 150 miles an hour? This thing is massive. And of course, in addition to the damaging winds, there would be the rainfall amounts. Sea travel, of course, is risky. And the possibilities for flash floods, landslides, storm surge, all sorts of dangers with this thing. So hopefully everybody has made the preparations that they can at this point, because it's basically already on top of the Philippines at this point. Luckily, it is predicted to taper off just a little bit. According to this, be the rough equivalent of a Category 3 hurricane at the point that it might be making landfall in the Vietnam. So that will at least be something good for them, but obviously very massive storm right now. Side note, I did look this up. Haiyan is the Chinese word for petrel, which is apparently a tube-nosed seabird. So typhoon, tube-nosed seabird. Can't even get those. Tube-nosed seabird. That's just kind of interesting. It's always interesting when they have like such what you'd think of cuddly names, and then they end up being very, obviously, damaging storms. Elsewhere, there is this low chance of tropical cyclone formation per the JTWC. If you look at the satellite loop, or not the loop, but the satellite layer on this, that actually does look decently put together, but it's apparently only a low chance right now. So, of course, rains and stuff with that, but it won't officially be a tropical cyclone, presumably. And then there's this disturbance out here, 90 IO. Let's see if we can line that up with the satellite. Maybe. Did I click it? No, that's the wrong thing. I clicked the wrong thing. I'm always doing that. So yeah, there's apparently a disturbance out here. That doesn't look like much of anything. So something is tracking it, 90 IO. Who knows what's going on with that one? So yes, Haiyan, Typhoon Haiyan / Yolanda being the huge news. Both literally and figuratively, of course. That is just a massive, massive typhoon. It's insane, basically. So let's move on to something where it's not insane, which would be US severe thunderstorm weather, where it's completely green across the board again. So that's good. There you go, nothing to talk about with that. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of the screencast. WikiWix is WICKEDWX.com, and Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. And that is it for today, and hopefully you're staying safe out there.